everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my Glam Bag X unboxing for the month of February. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, thank you so very much for being here and being part of all of the videos and commenting and being a part of the family. I really appreciate it. It does make such a huge difference when you like and subscribe. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. For those of you that are new here on my channel, I do all things makeup. I would love for you to click the subscribe button and then you'll be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Without any more talk, let's jump into the Glam Bag X from Ipsy for the month of February. So the Glam Bag X is kind of just like the BoxyCharm Luxe. It comes out 4 times a year. I am making sure that I get the right price for you guys for how much it costs. I believe, recently they've increased the rates of just about everything, but I believe it is so the Glam Bag X is $55 a quarter, which is a pretty steep price, but you are supposed to get multiple items. It is typically curated by a famous person, whatever line of work they are in. And so this month, it is curated, wow, curated. It is curated by Addison Rae. So Glam Bag X, Addison Rae. Typically, I love my Glam Bag X's. That sounds funny. Typically, I love them. I hated this box this month. So let's jump in and we'll go through all of the products really quickly and then I'll tell you kind of my thoughts on everything. I'm going to jump into the first thing here. This is the MZ Skin Smooth and Soothe Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. The retail value for this is $143, which holy heckin' bob. Basically, this helps brighten your under eyes. It also is a good base, they say, for concealer, so you can wear it under makeup, although I have not tried that. It has hyaluronic acid in it, it has ceramides, tripeptides, and then a word that I can't pronounce, bark. I have used it. It is a nice product. I will open this up and show you the packaging. The packaging is weighty and nice. It looks beautiful with this pink frosted glass container, a gold cap. It does have, as it falls out, a plastic seal, and then inside is a white cream, and it is super thick. So it is a very hydrating formula. $143 is a heck of a lot for an eye cream. It seems nice. It's okay. It is super thick. It is very hydrating. It does have a little bit of a faint smell that smells perfumey to me. That's about all I have to say about that. The next product that I have is from Kinship. This is the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly. And let's find this real quick. This is, retail value is $18. This deeply moisturizing lip treatment has our planet's health in mind. It's made of 50% post-consumer recycled plastic and recycled paper. It is vegan, which I do appreciate. It is melt-in hydration. That's about all I can say. It has papaya enzyme fermented. It has hyaluronic acid and sea buckthorn berry. It is a I do like the, whoa, sorry as I dropped the cap. I do like the applicator. It is one of those silicone rubberized tips, so it's kind of flexible. It does have just a smidge of a tint, but once you rub it in, you can't see it at all. It's an okay product. It smells maybe a little fruity, but that's more from the papaya enzymes in here. The papaya enzymes will help soften your lips. I have used this as well. I don't think it's an amazing product. I would not repurchase it, but it's not bad. I like that it's vegan. It is in Lip Hooray, which is kind of that nudie color, but again, it comes out as almost no color at all. My next product here is K18, which I do really enjoy, and I have wanted to try that. Let me get to the point where, I have used it already. I do really enjoy it. Retail value is $75. It is a leave-in hair treatment that you are supposed to, after you shampoo your hair, you then comb this through towel dried hair and you leave it, you don't rinse it out. I do find it makes my hair less frizzy, which I really appreciate because I do have an issue with that. So I did really enjoy this. It is not similar to Olaplex, but people do say Olaplex really helps. This also really helps, but in different ways. I enjoyed it. I like the K18. I've wanted it. That's a good thing. My next product here is from Aceology. This is a multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. Retail value $59. There are only 4 masks in here. $59 for 4 masks. It has vitamin B3, C, E, which helps moisturize. I don't find that face masks are that be all end all for me. You put this on, you leave it on for 30 minutes. It's supposed to help brighten and hydrate. It's a sheet mask. I mean, I'm sure it's okay. I have not tried it yet. It's a sheet mask that is super overpriced. It is cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, there you go. My next product in here is from Tula. I do really like Tula. Tula is a good brand. I typically like their products. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It is the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Retail value is $52. It has probiotic extracts, prebiotic with chicory root, apple and watermelon to help hydrate and smooth, peptides and squalene. You basically just put it on. It's free of parabens, phthalates, all of those things. It does have that beautiful, typical Tula teal color. It is plastic. It does have a beautiful cap on it, which I do really appreciate. That seals it in really nicely. And then it is a very thick white cream. It smells like my grandmother's lotion. I don't have any complaints about it. It is a really nice product. It's just another skincare product for me. So far, the whole entire box has been skincare. The next product that I have in here are 2 lip glosses. These lip glosses, while I appreciate that I did get 2 of them, they're from Item Beauty. They are each just a little bit of a different color. It is one in Sun and one in Moon. Let me turn it the right way. This is Sun, this is Moon. They're just a little bit of a different color. These you can wear alone or over your lipstick. It basically said they give a subtle plump. It's non-sticky. I mean, you know, it's a lip gloss. Let's open these up because I haven't even looked at them yet. I'm opening the one that says Sun. I do think that it is beautiful packaging. It has that clear packaging. The logo is at the bottom that says Item Beauty with this cute kind of a pink cap. This is the one Sun. I am going to put it on right here. It does have a huge doe foot applicator, which I do really like. It smells kind of a little like cake batter or like cookies. You can see it is pretty pigmented on there. It doesn't feel super sticky in any way. It's kind of that gloss without being real thick. I mean, it's nice. It's a lip gloss. You know, it's cool. I don't know what else more to say about that. I am going to open the shade Moon and swatch this one for you. This one seems a little more nude. So that Sun was quite pink, almost Barbie pink and sparkly. This seems a little more nude and less sparkly. We'll swatch it right there. They both feel very nice. They both smell the same. You know, it's all good, right? It's all good. The very last, nope, I have 2 more products. 2 more products. The very next to last product I have is from Stila. And so this is their This is their Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Stingray. Retail value is $22. Stila makes good products. It is in that black Stingray. I am not going to swatch this because I'll open it up and show it to you. It is just a twist up black pencil. I have plenty of black pencils. They are good. You can smudge it out. It is fairly long lasting. I will put this in my giveaway. So one makeup product out of everything in my whole box so far. And then the next product, I wouldn't really consider a makeup product. It is more of a tool, and this is the Firma Brushes. So this is a set of 3 different brushes. It is not even listed in this pamphlet that I have. It is on the website though. Retail value $24.99, and they are very small brushes for detail work. You have kind of a pointed one, a bigger pencil one, and then an angled one. So let me pull these out real quick and show you. Sorry, they're super noisy. So we do have the angled brush. It is nice and soft and silky. You do have kind of a very, very sharp tipped one that is almost hard. It's not really soft at all, like it's not flexible, so you can kind of really get in there and do that fine detail work. I'm gonna leave that cap on it. And then the last one is more of a pencil brush that is a little soft and fluffy, and there it is. They are black, they do have Firma, and then what numbers they are. They're good brushes. They're good, there's nothing wrong with them. I have to say that both my BoxyCharm base box and this box are some of the most disappointing subscription boxes I have ever received. On my Ipsy, I have listed on my quiz that I want no skincare or as little as possible. Literally, other than this Stila waterproof eye pencil, all of my products were skincare or hair care and one tool. All of them were. For me, that is not really acceptable, especially for such an expensive box. Just Ipsy, what are you doing? Please don't be like BoxyCharm. Typically in the past, Ipsy has done a better job with really following that quiz. It's more of in line with what you like, where BoxyCharm takes it as kind of a loose general suggestion. So super disappointed in this box. Was disappointed in my BoxyCharm base box for February as well. So much skincare this month. I'm hoping that next month will be a better month for the boxes. Hopefully I will have more makeup to try and do. I really couldn't try anything on in this box because it's all really skincare. So yeah, there we have it. My Glam X box for February. Let me know what you guys got. There were some options in the pamphlet that they have, and that is one thing that I do like about the Glam Bag X. They do put this in with all of the products you could potentially get, as well as some different ways that the curator uses them, if they really like them a certain way or why they really like a certain product. So I do think that that's cool. What did you guys get in your box? Did you get the Glam Bag X even? I do know that it's pretty pricey. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and listening to me rant about this box. I'm sorry. I really, really appreciate you guys being here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.